Hey, what's up guys? I want to show you my new flashlight. Just got it in the mail today. I want to test it out. And it is not the Through Night Catapult V6. Already had that one. It is not my Bushnell TRKR 140L. I love this light. Only about 18 bucks in Walmart. Runs on one AA. 150 lumens. About, I don't know, I think it's rated for 117 meter throw. Love this flashlight for its price and its size. But nope, that's not it either. This is my new flashlight. Look at that thing. Look how tiny this thing is. It's a keychain. So this is the BLF GT Nano. This little thing is rated for, I think, 450 lumens and a 300 meter throw. Now, it's dark out, it's snowy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but we're going to try. Let's try this out. It's hard to see because of the snow, but this thing is very, very powerful for what it is. Now mind you, look at the size. I'll compare it. Hold up. Down for a little bit. I'll compare it to my 150 lumen Bushnell. Now that's got a, I think, 117 meter throw. And this will be the BLF. Overpowers it. Look at that. Insane. Now here is the old trusty Catapult V6. That's got 750 meters of throw. Obviously it's hard to see because of the snow. I might not put this video up. I might shoot it for another day, but let's see. Let's end this with my Acebeam X70. Low and turbo. Okay, you can't see anything. But yeah, there you have it. BLF GT Nano, 30 bucks with 300 meters of throw. That ain't bad. The size of your thumb, not even.